And this picture is a picture about a frog and how it grows up. And look, this is step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. There are 6 so they can grow up in time. This, do you know what it is? It kind of like some of the eyes, but this is a frog's egg. And this is how he lays eggs. And this is, they grow to tadpoles. And about this, a little bit more. Can you see this front leg? That front leg, that means he's growing, right? And this is, he has skills. He began it to grow backward legs. And next is, tail got shorter. That means his tail was almost gone because when she grew up, she became a frog. And do you think, will it have tail? No, the frog actually do not have tail. So it's going to change. His tail became a little shorter. And there, he became a frog, right? And go to the next. And it says, something to try. You can decorate your room like this. And you said, raise a frog. So we're going to make a raised frog. And it say, what you need. Now what you need to do. And it say, tadpoles or frogs, eggs from pond. So you can do it tomorrow if you want. Remember the steps. And it says, or Nathan store. So get it tomorrow. Have that still your room. And it say water, pond water, or dish water, or tap water that you let sit. Lay for 5 days to 7 days. Water plants, pond or pet store. Travel, big glass or plastic jar, or bowl with activate lid. Frog food or goldfish food from pet store and rocks. And these, it said what to do. And it say put jar where it gets some sunlight. Put gravel into the jar and careful add water. Add plants and tadpoles or eggs and put a lid on. Leave the bug about 4 days after tadpoles hatch. Began feeding a pinch or a fish food each day. Wait and watch and take tadpoles in few months to change into frogs. When the tadpoles start to become frog as rocks, so they can climb out the water. Watch the frog a little while and then let them go near a pond. And what does thing happen? Are you going to be a little attentive or vegetarian that you're going to make frogs and let them go? That's exciting, right? So he can have a better and the energy that you gave him. And you say, number the pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to tell what happens. First, second, third, fourth, and last. Start with the eggs. Can you see the eggs? Number it. Go to the next page. And it says, all babies need to grow. They will all change as they grow, but they will always look as their parents as they grow. And it say something to do. And it say draw a line from the mother to her baby. So pick up your pencil, look at your picture, and saw what's inside. Those baby animals and mother animals. Let's see if you can help them find their way to home. And the next, in the first picture, what is in it? Yes, it's a cat. And which picture shows as a cat over there? Yes, this picture. So if you want to be more prettier, use a ruler. If you don't care about it, just use your hand. And the next is what it is. Yes, an alligator. And this is a little alligator. Well, what do you think? Is they go to a little bunny, right? No, it isn't. So let's draw a line where it needs to go. The next is, oh, I like this one. What is it? Yes, it's a little rabbit. And what do you think the rabbit belongs? Yes, it must belong to a bunny or a small rabbit. Do you think it's cute? Yes, draw a line. If you like this, draw it with a ruler so it can be pretty. The next is a fox. Draw a line to 3 foxes over there. And a deer, grow to the fox. A fox is called and a young deer. And match to it. We'll go to this page 2. And it says, some animals change very much as they do not look like their mom, but they are young at all. And it says, something to do again. Draw a line to the baby, to its mother. Oh, this is the hard one. And look at that baby. This is about an inch. A baby, about an inch. An inch is about this number. What number is this guy? Yes, number 1. It's very small, but it's going to, the picture will let it a little bit bigger so you can see it. And now, what do you think it? We have learned about this, right? And what it is? Yes, it's a kangaroo. Match it. Now, this baby is about a jelly bean. So what do you think it will belongs? Yes, to the mouse. Right to the mouse. Oh, I don't like mouse. And the next is a tadpole. And we have talked about it. Draw a line to his mother. I'm not going to say. The last baby is about a coin that worth 10 cents. And a Franklin D. Roosevelt. What is it? Yes, a dime. And it's about a dime. And what is it? Yes, it's the baby possum. Learning those baby animals is fun. See you next time. Thanks for learning.